Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and in today's video we are doing a tablet install in this 2007 350Z. What we're going to do is go ahead and get this radio pulled apart. We'll head over to the bench to show you the kit that we're using here today. Now of course, if you're not going to do a tablet and you want to do just a standard radio install, we can also link all those parts down in the description of the video. Now, this is not our traditional video here. We're not going to go through step by step, but we can link the parts that we're using in today's install in the description of the video. We're using a company that basically designs a tablet mount that will replace the factory radio and pocket up above. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here at the bench, with the factory radio removed, we can now talk about the kit that we're installing today. This is very specific to this Nissan 350Z. This kit is by Workshop 12 Incorporated. It's a Brainiac kit, which essentially includes a way for you to install your Android tablet while maintaining a lot of the factory features. This kit essentially goes in the factory location. We do have to modify our dash bezel to accommodate our tablet install, but essentially what this is going to allow us to do is use our tablet as our radio. This kit comes with multiple pieces, built basically an amplifier that plugs into your factory harnesses that also connect to your tablet itself, the base, as well as a faceplate for the tablet and the dash. We can link all the parts that we're using down in the description. Now, this isn't a regular radio install that we always do on the channel. That's why we're not going to spend a ton of time, because the manufacturer themselves of this kit have a step-by-step. This is more so just as a quick time-lapse and tutorial of how we're going to be installing this tablet and this dash. We'll link more information about this company that this customer wants us to use in the description, in case you want to check more out yourself. So without further ado, let's go ahead and grab the dash kit and start making our modifications. Alright, so we went ahead and got this all in and mounted. The issue we ran into is the customer bought a tablet that's too big for this kit. So it's kind of in there. Essentially, they'll have to go swap out the tablet for the one that'll actually fit this size bracket. But overall, it looked really nice and clean. This guy's just held on with the magnets, and so you can pop that out to remove the tablet at any time. But I hope you enjoyed the time lapse here. If you want to do a radio, we'll link the radio part and suggested radios. We can link down in the description here for you. However, we are doing a backup camera, which we're going to do a rear view mirror backup camera here. So if you want to see that video, we'll link that video down in the description of the video. And thanks again for watching. Be sure to hit the like button if you like what you saw. And don't forget to subscribe. We post great content on the channel all the time. We'll see you in the next video.